Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can create a user story for your board and workspace in Trello really quickly. So let us get started. Alright, so head over to Trello, log into your account, select your workspace here in the top left corner. So let me go with that workspace here for the sake of this tutorial. After that, select the board you would like to customize here from that left-hand side. So let me go with that basic board here. And basically what you want to do, guys, here on your board is click on these three dots in the top right corner and select the option power-ups from the drop-down menu. And here inside the power-ups menu, what you want to do is use the search bar here and simply search for stories. So type in stories just like that. And after that, you will be given access to these stories here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pick the one you would like to use. Let me go, for example, that one here. You may add it to your list of boards by clicking on add here. And after that, you will be given access to that user story so that you may, for example, add various items, cards, or to-do lists or lists to it, customize, edit it, and simply customize your user story. And that's basically it, guys. That's how to do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.